Hello everyone, welcome back to BGM Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at Den and Dart from the Thomas Wooden Railway. Let's get them out of the box. Oh man, this is not going to be an easy one. Already tell. Ooh. Don't want to have to cut. Here we go. I'm getting one. Alrighty. Awesome. Let's do it this way. Since they're Den and Dart, first we'll take a look at Den, who looks a little wonky on his chassis. He's like sort of angled strangely. That's interesting. Trying to see if I can figure out why. But it doesn't look like it. So, anyways, let's take a look at Den. He's got some huge openings next to his cab here. I'm not entirely sure why, but he does. And so here's his face, which is a lot better than the Tommy face. He's got an interesting piece here. They're both made of wood. He's got some exposed, like a little bit of exposed wood there where they missed painting. Maybe he's got a plastic light. This side here is plastic. This sides are plastic, and the whole base is plastic. Sort of unfortunate, but it'll do. Like that there's detail around the back. And his wheels are nice, even though they don't have the little orange nubs. You can always paint them yourself if you really want to. Not sure if I will or not. These are dated 2012. And they have the little indentation from the plastic. And they're the full wheels, just like the old Learning Curve and Tommy ones. So here is Dart. He's looking up at something. Not sure what it is. But he's a cool model too. He's got lots of detail all around on all four sides, on all of his sides. A really good looking face. Interestingly enough, all that is not painted. I'm not sure. It's just painted burgundy, I guess. But it's almost sort of connected here. Interesting. Was just metal, I guess. But they've always done a really nice job. Look at all the detail Dart has. It's just a shame that this is now what the brand used to be. Something interesting that this 2-pack came with was a 2013 collector checklist. So I won't be able to show you everything. Whoops. But they've got Den and Dart, Ari and Bert. Actually, I can. Thomas, Percy, Charlie, Fearless Freddy, Rosie, Scruff, Diesel, Rheneas, Butch. Really want Butch, Birdie, Jack. Patrick would be awesome if I can find him. Winston, Harold, Musical Caboose, Millie, who I still need as well. Steven, Bash and Dash, need those two. Toby, Luke, behind you. Stafford, Paxton, I still need Paxton. Scarlotti, Victor, Kevin, Salty. Race to the Rescue with Flynn, although I want a regular Flynn. Den and Dart. Ellie and Bert, Annie and Clarabelle, Rocky, Caitlin, Connor, Diesel 10, Emily, Spencer. There's Belle and Flynn, two I still need. James, Edward, Hero, Ferdinand, still need him. Henry, and Gordon. And I have most of these, surprisingly. Although not from Mattel. Most of these are like Learning Curve era, because I started collecting long before Mattel was around. Well, not around, but you know what I mean. This is really cool though. I like these. Not sure how to get this. Oh well. That could just stay like that. So, would I recommend these? Yes, definitely. Although I hope you were a little bit better luck with the eyes and dens lopsidedness. But other than that, they're highly recommended from me. Thank you so much for watching, as always, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. It really helps a lot. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.